Hi, it's Roni, and welcome to Kathy Feigl's 1000 Subbie Hop and Giveaway. She has met the milestone of 1000 subbies, so we're all helping her celebrate. And we're doing it by scrap lifting one of her layouts, and this is the one I picked. It has one of her adorable little granddaughters, a wreath, a title, a subtitle, a bird, which mine's not going to have. I could not even think of what collection I could look in for something like that to set by it because it's dressed kind of sort of like her little granddaughter. I thought was adorable sitting there. And I pulled this paper out. It's pink fresh and it looks like a tree ring. And so it goes around and around in circles. I thought, oh, that should help me make my circle more round. And then it's got a heart in the middle. And I thought, well, that's cute. So I decided to use it for my background instead of a plain background. And in doing that, I'm going to end up forgetting to do the outline. She does have an outline on hers, but I'm going to forget to do it. I fussy cut out a bunch of flowers ahead of time. They're from Fashionista, Echo Park. And I cut them out, and then I thought for sure I wasn't going to have enough, but I do. And I used my wreath and flowers die for the greenery. Only I didn't use the flowers since I had to fussy cut a bunch out. But see those little tags right up there? They're stickers. I was going to use a couple that look like tabs and put at the top of my photo. Well, I'm going to have flowers and stuff there, so they're not going to end up on here either. Yeah, I had a plan. And I also showed a sheet that had buttons all over it. I didn't think I had enough flowers cut out, and I thought I would punch out the buttons and slide them here and there and fill in empty spaces. Well, I've got enough flowers. Take my word for it. Between the flowers and the greenery, I've got enough. I am sure you all know Kathy, and if you don't, her link will be down there below so you can go check her channel out. She makes beautiful layouts, and she is just as sweet as she can be. And she's giving a giveaway. So, yeah, you got to make sure you go over there and get your name in on the drawing. And, yeah, there will be other people on the hop, and their links will be down there below so you can check everybody else out while you're at it and see what layout they scrap lifted of Kathy's. And, yeah, get in on that giveaway. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to her channel. Yeah, Kathy and I get together a couple of times a week for collaborations. One with the Punched Out Thursday to Die For, and then the next day Mixed Media Frenzy, and Hop every now and then. And she also does Mini Kit Monday, Stampin' Saturday. Oh, she has a layout almost every day. So be sure to check her channel out. Get in on the drawing. But you will always find a video and inspiration on her channel. Well, while I've been talking, I've been putting flowers down. I have put some on foam tape, some not, and I've clipped apart my wreath and just put pieces here and there to kind of intertwine in between the flowers. And I'm getting close to getting done on that. If you look up on her layout, it's kind of hard to see on my screen. I don't know about y'all's. But it has either enamel dots or Nuval drops. And I had the Nuval drops in my hand. I considered it. But I had just done one with Nuval drops and it done so well, I thought you can't do it twice in a row. So I decided I'd go ahead and use enamel dots. And first I'm going to use the pink because that's the color I've got going on because of Hope's little dress. But on the same sheet, there's these ones that look like dewdrops, like on flowers, they're, they've got a little bit of yellow tint to them, not much, kind of a yellowish green, which kind of reminded me of the grass, the lighter grass in the picture. And I decided to go ahead and use them because I have pulled several enamel dots off that sheet. It's Freckled Fawn. and I had never used them, and I thought, well, I'm going to just go ahead and put them on here and add another color in here. So, yeah, I'm going to use quite a few enamel dots. She did. She had them just kind of filtered all through her wreath, and it looked really cute. I filled in that area up there above the picture, and I just keep adding. No room for no tabs at the top of the picture. So those stickers that are laying there are going to stay there. However, I am going to manage to get one of those Heidi swap words on here, and they're from 2013. So I'm pretty proud of that. Looks like she put some of those clear stickers beneath the word happy. So I pulled out some clear stickers. Mine are from, well, it was a baby sticker sheet, and it says Our Little Princess, you know, and I thought she's still young enough to be called Our Little Princess. So I've got Dream and Our Little Princess for my title. I know I'm not there yet, and I'm talking ahead, but putting down flowers is kind of monotonous, so I thought I'd talk. However, I didn't know it was going to take me this long to put down flowers. But yeah, that's the sticker, and it goes on really good and really straight, which I was surprised about. But when I lifted my sheet up to check, all these flowers fell down. Well, I fussy cut them out. I'm going to use them. So yeah, they're going to go on my wreath and just make it a little bit more fuller. And I like that anyway. You know me, I always like more. Well, I just keep finding loose flowers. And you know me, I like more. So they're going to go on my layout. And let's see, what else am I going to end up doing? Oh, this is the Heidi Swap words. And the dream was perfect color. Well, maybe pink would have been better, but it was close enough. And so I'm going to put it across there above the Our Little Princess. And it sticks pretty good. I had it in mind to use the glue and put it down, but they stuck pretty good. They may come up later, but they stuck pretty good. And I'm fussy cutting out a camera. And if you notice, she's got something black in her hand. I think it's well, I don't know. I thought it was a baseball helmet at first. Then I remembered this was a family reunion, but they could have been playing ball at the family reunion, I guess. I don't know. But it's black, so I thought I'm going to cover it up. So that's why my camera gets put where it gets put. I did pull up some of the vine and go over the top of it, and then I took one of the little tiny flowers and put on there. And I'm going to end up putting one of the dewdrop drops, and there was two hearts on there. One was pink and one was the dewdrop. So I'm going to put both of them on my layout too. And the pink one I'm going to put on the camera. But I want to remind you again that Kathy is having a giveaway, so make sure you go to her channel so you can get your name in on the drawing. And there will be links to the other gals and Kathy's that are doing a layout today. And yeah, that's it. That's it. I'm done with my layout. But yeah, there's hope. And don't she look like maybe she's daydreaming? But yeah, Dream Our Little Princess. And yeah, oh, the paper that's the plaid, well, it's got a grid on it, blue with a bluish green with a grid on it. I believe that was Pink Fresh, and the background one's Pink Fresh too. But the flowers are Fashionista from Echo Park. And so is the background behind the photo. But yeah, if you leave a comment down there below, I'll get back with you. And if you like the video and hit a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe. And those of you already are, thank you so much. But have a happy, scrappy week. Take care and stay safe. And head on over to Kathy's channel and all the other gals. Bye.